Experiencing problems sending picture messages on AirTalk Wireless? It's often due to incorrect APN settings or conflicts between different messaging services. First, ensure your APN is set to airtalkwireless.com with proxy 216.155.165.50 and port 8880. You can find this in your phone's mobile network settings. If you're using an iPhone, iMessage can sometimes interfere with MMS. Try disabling Send as SMS in your iMessage settings. On Android, consider using Google's Messages app with RCS enabled, as it's a more modern alternative to MMS. These steps solve most common MMS problems. AirTalk Wireless, like most carriers, imposes a 1 MB size limit on MMS messages. If your pictures are too large, they won't send. Try compressing images before sending, or use alternative methods like RCS, which supports larger files up to 100 megabytes. Looking ahead, MMS is becoming outdated. The trend is shifting towards RCS and app-based messaging services like WhatsApp and Signal. AirTalk is investing in RCS to unify messaging protocols, offering better reliability and security. Consider switching to RCS for a more seamless experience and to avoid MMS limitations. MMS is expected to be phased out by 2030. Embrace the alternatives for better messaging.